In most of the ornamental plants and horticulture plants like mango and hibiscus, we will definitely notice mealybugs. It is very hard to get rid of mealybugs as it is having waxy coating on it. Where you can observe mealybugs, you can also observe ants. In this video, we will give you information regarding the get rid of both ants as well as mealybugs. So watch till end.
To get rid of ants, you can use a borax powder or a cinnamon powder. I prefer to use cinnamon powder as it is an organic way, and just apply some cinnamon in the places where you can observe these ants. Take a spray bottle, open its lid, put some detergent powder into the sprayer. What I prefer is 2 teaspoons of detergent powder per 250 ml of water. Then fill the water in it, as some detergent powder are toxic to the plants. You can observe the mealybugs in the shown ornamental plants, as you can see the same in the hibiscus too. To get rid of this insect, spray the sprayer detergent water through the sprayer on the mealybugs. Make sure that you'll spray directly on the mealybugs. Avoid spraying on the other parts of the plants. After one day, you can observe the white residue of the mealybugs, but mealybugs are absent. Carry out the same operation 2 times at a week in an interval. After spraying, make sure that you'll spray the clean water to the same part to clean the detergent water. For more interesting videos, do subscribe. If you have any clarification or new ideas, please comment below. If you like this video, hit a like button and share it. Thank you.